Welcome to our explainer on why your oven might not be heating up. If you've ever faced this frustrating issue, you're not alone. Let's walk through some common causes and solutions. First, check the power supply. Ensure your oven is plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. A simple oversight can sometimes be the root cause. Next, inspect the heating element if you have an electric oven. Look for any visible damage or uneven heating patterns. A broken element can easily be replaced. For gas ovens, test the igniter. If it's weak or not glowing, it likely needs replacement. An igniter that doesn't function properly won't light the gas. Don't forget the thermostat and temperature sensor. A malfunctioning sensor can prevent your oven from reaching the desired temperature. Ensure that they are accurately calibrated. Check for a blown thermal fuse, which cuts power to prevent overheating. Replacing a blown fuse is often straightforward. Lastly, if all else seems fine, consider the control board. A defective board can disrupt communication between components. For professional oven repairs, call Vancouver Appliance Service Pros to get the job done and maintain a kitchen running smoothly.